Hi, welcome to mycutetoons with Jock. Today we're going to draw a unicorn emoji. As usual, we're going to start again with the eye of the unicorn. So, let's begin. We're going to draw a round eye like that. Make it nice and big. And then we're going to just draw a little line for the bottom of the eye. And another circle within the eye, and then two smaller circles. There we go. And now we're going to color in the eye. So here we go. So now you can see the light reflection in our little unicorn's eyes. Good. Now from here, I find it easier to start with the ear. So I'm going to start up here and we're going to draw a line like this, and you're going to bring it back like so. And then after that we're going to draw a small line and another one like so. Good. And some hair for our unicorn in the ear, in our unicorn's ear. And then from here, I want you to go back with a line for the back side of the ear. Good. And now we're going to draw the hair. So, from the point of the ear, where the ear stops, we're going to draw a line like so, and we're going to curve it around. Maybe something like this. And you're going to go back, like so. Okay, that's perfect. Now the next thing we're going to do, we're going to draw the horn of our unicorn. So, we're going to start here. We're going to draw a line like so. And then we're going to continue the line up. And again, like so. That's perfect. And now we're going to draw 3 lines. Curved lines like that. Good. And now we're going to draw the face of the unicorn. So we're going to start here. We're going to go down and we're going to go like so. Good. And now we're going to turn the little nose like so. And we're going to go straight up and we're going to make a little turn like that. Okay, good. And now for the hair in front. So a line like that, and then we're going to go all the way back. Perfect. Perfect. So what next? Let's draw her eyelashes, maybe on this side first. So there's an eyelash, and from here we can just make her eyelash. You won't be able to see the eyelash because the hair would be in front. And then the nose, there we go. And our unicorn should have a little smile. What do you think? So we can draw a line up like that, and there's the smile. Now from here I want us to draw the neck. So we're going to start here at just under the mouth, and we're going to draw a line like so. Just like that. And like I said, it's going to be just the head of the unicorn. We're going to try to make an emoji of our own. So we're going to draw a line back like so. Just a little bit wider. And I think that would be great. Good. Now let's draw the mane. So we're going to start here and we're going to draw like this. It's one tuft of hair, and then behind the ear, about this height, you're going to draw another line. It's going to go down, and this is going to be the mane of the unicorn. So don't worry too much that it doesn't look perfect. You'll see it, we're going to work out perfectly in the end. So Then we're going to draw another one, and we're going to return it. And then from here we're going to draw this, and we're going to continue with the shape of the head, like this, of the mane. And then here we can take it a bit past all that, and this one we can just connect it like so. So that would be great. I think that's pretty cool. Now for the top of the head, what I do normally, I measure up like so, and I make a mark there, and I think that would be the right height for our little unicorn's head. So top of the head, we'll just make a line like this, and then from here we're going to do the same thing. We're going to return it like so. Okay, good. Now what I want us to do, let's draw, let's see if the hair can go down like this. Good. You follow me with this, and like so. I think that looks absolutely great. And then we can maybe draw another line, maybe like so, and we can return it like that. And from here, maybe make a line like this, but you can do it any which way you want, like so. And then from here we're gonna maybe draw a line like so, and then lastly we can maybe draw a line like so. So I think that would be enough. So that's the side of her hair as well, hanging down. So I think our unicorn looks pretty amazing. What do you think? So now you can go and you can take your favorite colors and color this unicorn in, and you can make an emoji of your own, something that you would love. Thank you for drawing with me, and I think we made a great unicorn together. What do you think? If you like drawing with me, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. See you soon.